This is the Winchester Model 1873, the rifle famously called the gun that won the West. Introduced in 1873, it quickly became one of the most iconic lever-action rifles in American history. Chambered in .44-40, it offered power, reliability, and lightning-fast follow-up shots. Its rugged steel frame and smooth lever action made it the trusted companion of settlers, lawmen, cowboys, and outlaws alike. With more than 720,000 rifles produced, it dominated the American frontier for decades. Simple, tough, and legendary, the Winchester 1873 remains a timeless symbol of innovation and the spirit of the West.